I have 2 little girls and a job, so my life is very busy. Living with diabetes makes it even busier. When I had to stop to check my glucose by sticking my finger many times a day, it was painful. I would get nervous if I went too long without checking. It felt overwhelming. But now, I use the FreeStyle Libre 14-day system. It takes away the pain and worry of checking my glucose. With a quick scan, I can check all the time. I feel I can focus on the things that matter most in my life.
Getting started is easy and setup is quick. When you open your new FreeStyle Libre 14-day reader kit, you'll find the user's manual, quick start guide, quick reference guide, and an interactive tutorial. The reader comes with a USB cable and power adapter. First, take the reader out of the box. The unit comes already charged. Then press the blue Home button to turn on your reader. It's the only button. All other actions are done on the touchscreen. You can see the current date using the arrows on the touchscreen. Tap Next to continue. Now you can set the current time. Next, you can set your target glucose range based on your healthcare professional's recommendation. Your target glucose range is displayed on glucose graphs on the reader and used to calculate your time and target. Tap Next to continue, and your reader will display how to read the glucose trend arrows. When you tap Next, a series of 4 additional screens will appear with important information about how to use the system. At the last screen, tap Done to continue, and your setup is complete. Now, let's apply the sensor. The FreeStyle Libre 14-day sensor kit comes in 2 parts, the sensor applicator and the sensor pack. It also contains an alcohol wipe and product insert. Select the site on the back of your upper arm where you will clean it with the alcohol wipe and let it dry. Peel the lid completely off the sensor pack and unscrew the cap from the sensor applicator. Place the sensor applicator into the open sensor pack and line up the dark mark on the applicator with the mark on the pack. Press down firmly on the sensor applicator until it comes to a stop. Lift the sensor applicator out of the sensor pack. Simply place the sensor applicator over the site you cleaned with the alcohol wipe. Push down firmly until the sensor is in place. Make sure the sensor is secure after application. All that's left is to start the sensor. Just press the blue Home button to turn on your reader. Tap Start New Sensor on the screen. An image of a hand holding the reader next to a sensor on the arm will appear. Hold the reader within 1.5 inches of the sensor to scan it. If sounds are turned on, the reader beeps when the sensor has been successfully activated. After the sensor has adapted to Helen's body for 1 hour, she can get her glucose readings with a simple scan for up to 14 days. You can do it without finger sticks.